Hey, honey, I have eat and eat. You gave us them black-eyed peas, we've eat that hog jaw, we had pig brains for Christmas, cornbread, mashed potatoes. Whew.
Well, they say the peas were good luck, and the cabbage and all that was good luck. So maybe we'll have some good luck.
All that food kind of got me thinking, you know. We eat all kinds of different foods. Like we eat vegetables, we eat fruits, and then we eat meats, and we eat breads. It's just so much, you know? It makes me about wonder where all that stuff comes from.
What do you mean where it comes from?
Okay, so one of the things I ate today was cabbage. Cabbage comes from the ground. I had black-eyed peas. That comes from the ground too. Cornbread. That kind of comes from the ground by a route. Hog jaw. That comes from a hog. One thing it didn't eat anything of was a fruit. Most fruits come from a fruit tree, like, apples and pears, peaches. They all come from fruit trees.
Honey, I've had fruit all day laid out.
So if all them vegetables come from the ground, and all that fruit comes from fruit trees, where do you think chicken comes from?
What do you mean, chicken? Chicken comes from an egg.
Well, that's a good guess, but I say chicken comes from a poultry.
Oh, jeez.